Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Hi guys, I'm Ryan. With me today we have
Dylan.
What is your Japanese name?
Takeshi.
Oh, it's the same with really famous Chinese actor. What is this behind us?
It's a Tokyo Tower.
Okay, can you guys see that? You're gonna teach us some Japanese, right?
What do you want to learn?
A face cleanser. How do I say?
洗顔料はありますか？
洗顔料は
ありますか？
ありますか? How do you say moisturizer?
モイスチャライザー。
Moisturizer.
モイスチャライザー。
Moisture. What? You are really handsome. You're really cute.
イケメン。
Ikemen.
Yeah.
What does all this name mean?
Agreeing with something.
Nice. Today we are going to unpack all the stuff I bought here. Try them one by one. Okay, so now let's get it started.
Let's go.
我们现在来到新宿的另外一家，它这个店特别丰富。这个像是柑橘油，2017年第一位 Cosmo， 这个还蛮好吃的。阳光晒的那个玻尿酸，30块钱人民币，我们可以试一下，这个真的够保湿。第一位能够去毛孔，我觉得它应该是那种撕拉型的，不是的。他们有一个卖的很好的一个眼影盘，叫做 Mac的，这个我们来试一下，所有都是第一位，但遮瑕就是要扣啊，这个就是非常漂亮，棒棒的比较卫生，又买了2000多块钱的。So let's try the first one. Is the big bottle.
Liquid toothbrushing with whitening effect. A healthy mouth with white teeth and fresh breath.
Okay. It feels really nice.
It does feel better.
I feel my mouth is refreshed. What's that?
It's a sleeping mask. So you sleep with it in the morning, wash it off, and it's supposed to help with the pores.
Shall we try that on our hands or something?
Yeah, although we can't leave it for overnight, but we could see.
Are you gonna go to bed now? Ooh, it's nice packaging.
It smells nice, kind of like glue.
It's very light. 你看我现在已经吸收了. It's like there's nothing left. Are you sure it's really a mask?
Yeah.
That's weird. It does not feel mask at all. Do you feel it's a little tight and at the same time a little?
It's kind of cooling, right?
I'm not gonna put it on my face.
I think it's alcohol.
因为我们两个人都感觉到，就用完这个东西之后，皮肤有变紧，但是我们觉得有点刺痛的感觉。Your skin is not that sensitive. You can probably give it a shot. What it is here?
A serum, hyaluronic acid. You can use it by itself or mix with your toner, and you can even put in your shampoo.
Oh.
For your lipstick. 抜群の保湿力で肌の老化の最大原因の乾燥からお肌を守り、みずみずしく張りのあるお肌に蘇らせてくれます。By moisturizing your skin, it prevents from aging to make your skin like jelly-like, like bouncy.
Oh. Let's try that. It's very thick.
Can you see that?
I think it's very easy to spread. Yes.
When you're putting it in there.
Yeah, you should do that as well. It
absorbs really quickly. It feels really
wow.
nice too.
Okay, now we have the oil. It's called
My Bio Oil. It's a German brand. It says 完治した傷跡に. So it's for the scars. 完治したニキビ跡. Acne scars.
How do you say acne?
ニキビ.
Nikibi. That's also cute. 痘痘就是 Nikibi. Chinese is 痘痘.
That's cute.
Yeah.
It smells really citrusy.
I like that. Oh, it smells so good. 这个还有点油哎.
Yeah, I think it's because they have olive oil.
Okay, now let's move to makeup session, okay? So we have a lot of foundations. We have concealer, eyeshadow, and this one is
Maquillage.
It's a really famous Japanese brand.
It's not too expensive, but it's still quite high-end, like Clinique.
I bought this one because it ranked like #1.
It's basically all season. It will moisturize your skin, but it controls your oil. Look at the packaging. It's like so fancy.
Okay, let's shake it. Try that on our face.
It smells really like sunscreen. It feels actually really like mattifying. Like I feel like my skin's really powdery.
Your pores look smaller. Very nice texture, very nice finish. This one is good. Let's try the other one, the concealer.
They said it's magic concealer. For pores, dark circles, fine lines, you can use as highlights.
Not bad.
It's actually quite natural. Like, it doesn't look heavy at all.
You can try it. It's very easy to spread. Yeah, it's so good. Here, so we have the eyeshadow is also the maquillage. This one is their #1 seller here. Wow, I couldn't even see me because it's so shining. So they have like 5 different shades. Let me try that.
This thing is called eye foundation. So it's supposed to be like a primer.
This is the glittering.
I don't think I would even notice.
Seriously? I got pink on my eyes. Very natural. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yay.